Hey, Dana with Breslow Outdoors. I want to show you a system we did in York and Connecticut. We installed a louvered roof system with custom Azenco trim package to give it a classic feel to make it blend directly into the customer's architectural house. So what we have over here is you don't really see anything up here, but the sun sets over there later in the day. So what we thought would be a good idea is to add a solar shade here, but we really didn't want to see the solar shade. We didn't want to see the tracks, we didn't want to see the header. So I'm going to demonstrate how it looks when it comes down. So there's the shade coming down. It was all hidden into a pocket that we built out of Azenco with crown molding, and I'll take you around and show you that in a minute. But you can see the shade as it drops. If the sun were out there later in the day, it would creep in underneath the system. As the sun sets, later in the day, the sun will be diffused, almost like a pair of sunglasses on your patio. You can also see through these solar shades. They allow you to see through so you don't feel like you're blocked in. And here's another added bonus. When it's raining, the driving rain doesn't come in. The shade itself might get a little wet, but you're keeping the area dry. Follow me, I want to show you what it looks like from the outside. I'm going to go ahead and start raising the shade up. And you can see that we built these custom channels inside Azenco, a custom crown molding transitional package, and then we built that pocket for the top of the shade to be concealed. Stay tuned and we'll come back on a nice sunny day and show you more. So we'll see you on the next one.